Igeranio cia KCPE niciingirite muthi wa keeri. Arutwo magika kegeranio kia ithomo ria science na githomo mathaini ma rucini magitanyo kurikiriria na insha mathaini ma miaraho. Umuthi Minista wa Githomo Prof Magoha hamwe na maafitha agi thirikari-ini mekurokete kaunti-ini ya Machakos niguo kunyabara mihango ya kuhingura konteina cia igeranio kuria thutha-ini acokire agenera arutwo thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Machakos Baptist. Hindi ya icera riri Magoha nionanirie kwaga kuiganira na namba ya maafitha a ugitiri aria mararangira igeranio thukuru-ini uyu.
I want to make it very clear that the policy framework, in order for us to maintain the integrity of these examinations, has been for the past 4 years, and this being the 5th year, that each center manager must have 2 officers.
Ona gutuika mihango ino no iratwarithio na mbere uria kwagiriire, anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru ni moritio kuhe arutwo ihinda niguo gutigirira ni mandikithia maumirira mega.
Tupatia wanafunzi candidates, tuwapatie nafasi nzuri ya kufanya mitihani yao vizuri. Majumbani mahali wanatoka, wazazi wawapatie fursa ya kutosha.
Kaunti ya Machakos irina ceceni 1,069 cia igeranio, 836 ari thukuru cia muingi na 233 ari thukuru cia andu kiumbe.
Glad to say that everything else is going on smoothly. I can see a lot of interest and enthusiasm among the center managers. I want to urge other senior government officers who are concerned with this examination process not to lower their guard. We are not going to allow this to happen because we are serving our children.
Icigo-ini ingi guku bururi-ini mihango ya igeranio no iratwarithio na mbere uria kwagiriire. Igeranio ici gitanyo kurikirira muthenya wa rucio. Hanini ha Kameme TV gitagwo ngina wa Waduru.